Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Fireflies AI paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Fireflies AI paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to look for this button here called billing. Okay, once you're here in billing, you're going to see the plan that you currently have. You can see this is a free test account. However, in order to cancel your paid subscription with Fireflies AI, go ahead and click on the cancel button. Once you do that, you want to look for the little black button down here for cancel. Of course, you can choose to adjust your plan to something that fits you better, but that's really up to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to cancel your Fireflies AI paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.